Mcneil, get up! We've got a patron!
We've got a what?
You heard me! We've got a patron! Call the Mcneils! Mcneils! Assemble!
We have a patron? Wait a minute. Where are the other Mcneils? I put you all in the same shot? Fuck that noise, it's After Effects bullshit. I barely got away with putting you all in the same scenes using garbage mats. In fact, I'm not even going to be here in the next cut. What? Oh. Well, it's official. I've got my first patron. Adam, thank you for your kindly donation, and I'm going to try my best to make sure that your faith in me is not misplaced. So I wanted to do this little video just to make sure, something special for you. I also wanted to do it as a general announcement of just generally what's going on. You'll notice that Let's Plays have been spinning on here currently, between me and Fat Man playing Phoenix Wright. That's going to be continuing through the next month or two. I'm hoping that it catches some traction. It's kind of a placeholder while we get things together. Black Book was on kind of hiatus during the Christmas season because actors and such couldn't really do lines. We're still getting the last lines in for it, for Black Book 3. That should be out by the end of the month, though don't take my word on it. I'm hoping. Other news, I've been brainstorming ideas for new reviews. It's been hard coming. I've gotten a job recently, working at the airport, so I've been kind of trying to remanage my time, and I've been doing pretty well. I've edited together all the Let's Plays. But, learning that I'm a patron, seeing the numbers of my most recent videos, some of the cool stuff that I've done actually being appreciated, it's a good feeling. And I feel like we're only going to go up from here, that my community is going to take me somewhere. And I wanted to thank you all, everyone that supports me in every which way you do. Especially now my Patreon support. Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I hope to see you all in the next video.